Hi friends, I am Sunil working as BSNL JE. Now I am going to discuss about BSNL JE 2016 exam preparation. For this, first of all, the exam date is 25/9/2016. That means we have nearly 2.5 months to go. Coming to the salary package, the pay scale is given by BSNL is 13,600 to 25,420. According to the present DA rate, we can get 35,000 as starting salary. In case of A class cities, 31,000 in case of C class cities. Okay. Coming to the eligibility, the eligibility for BSNL exam is diploma or BTech or BE in ECE or EEE or computer science engineering or information technology or radio engineering or telecom engineering or electronics and instrumentation engineering or BSc electronics or BSc computers or MSc electronics. Okay, next the coming to the scheme of examination, it is through written test only. There is no interview, no GD. Okay, the written test consists of mainly three parts. The first part is general ability. In this general ability, mainly two parts. One is English and one is GK. It is totally consist of 20 questions, 20 marks. Coming to the part 2, it is basic engineering, 90 questions, 90 marks. Coming to the part 3, it is specialization, 90 questions, 90 marks. The total time is 3 hours. Total time is 3 hours. Next, now I am going to discuss each and every part clearly. Coming to the part 1, the total questions is 20 and the marks is 20 marks. The first part 1 is general ability. In general ability, the first topic is English. According to the previous examinations papers, the English has 6 marks. 2 marks for synonyms, 2 marks for antonyms, and fill in the blanks, 2 marks. Okay, the second part is GK. GK mainly 14 marks. From these 14 marks, 10 marks from current affairs. In this 10 marks, 3 to 4 from telecom side. For example, telecom side, who is the CMD of BSNL, likewise. Okay, the remaining 4 marks from standard GK. Total 20 marks. Next, the coming to part 2, it is basic engineering. It is basic engineering. In this basic engineering, 90 questions, 90 marks. In this basic engineering, there are mainly 5 topics. The first topic is mathematics. First topic is mathematics. It is from this mathematics, nearly 15 questions will come. In this mathematics, from matrix 2 to 3 questions, vectors 3 to 4 questions, integrations 2 questions, differentiations 2 questions, transform theory, that means Laplace transforms, Fourier transforms, there are nearly 3 to 4 questions. From geometry, 1 or 2 questions. The total approximate questions from this mathematics is nearly 15 questions. Next, the second part in this part 2 is physics and chemistry. From physics and chemistry, nearly 15 questions will come. Nearly 15 questions will come. The mathematics, physics and chemistry are mainly diploma level or intermediate level. Okay, diploma or intermediate level only. Okay, coming to the part 3, it is basic electricity. It is basic electricity. Nearly 20 questions will come from these basic electricity. The questions are mainly fundamentals, so we must learn all the fundamentals of basic electricity. Okay, next, the fourth part is electronic devices and circuits. That is nothing but EDC. From this topic, we can get nearly 20 questions. The main important topics in EDC are diodes, transistors, like transistor example mainly BJT, FET, and amplifiers. Okay, then fifth part and last part in part 2 is digital techniques. From this digital, we can get nearly 20 questions. From this digital, the syllabus is very less and weightage is more, and also it is very easy topics. Okay, for example, logic gates, flip flops, and some registers, they are very easy and we can familiar with them. Okay, the next part 3 is specialization. In this specialization, total 90 questions and 90 marks. The topics in part 3 specialization are: first one, electrical. Electricals, in electrical specialization, there are nearly 50 questions will come. Nearly 15 questions will come. The topics in electrical specialization are belongs to electrical branch, for example, power systems, machines, power electronics. Okay, the second topic is communications. The topics in communications are belongs to electronics branch. There are nearly 15 questions. The third part is filters and transmission lines. There are nearly 10 questions. And the fourth part is instruments and measurements. There are nearly 10 questions. And the fifth part is control systems. The fifth part is control systems. There are nearly 12 to 15 questions. And sixth part is microprocessors. From these microprocessors, nearly 7 to 10 questions. From last topic is computers. It is 15 questions expected. The total is 19 questions, 19 marks. Okay, friends, all the best.